How to attract good things in your life. That's exactly what we will discuss today in this video. So watch out till the end. Hi beautiful souls, I'm Bithika. Welcome to my channel Divine Healing. If you're a subscriber watching my video, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're somebody new watching me for the first time, welcome to my channel. So how to attract good things in your life? Who doesn't want good things, right? Who doesn't want to have abundance in their life? But most people don't know how to attract those things in your life. And let me tell you, it's quite simple. How? Let's start with number 1. Spread kindness. Yes. It is one of the topmost thing to attract good things in your life. When you spread kindness, when you do an act of kindness, when you do something good for somebody, it will come back to you in tenfold. But do not do it with the intention that things will come back to me. Do with the intention of kindness and compassion, and the universe will give you tenfold back. Your intentions matter when you do certain thing. But remember, when you do it, just let it go. Don't sit and think that I have done something good, I'm doing good to people, I'm donating, I'm being kind, I'm spreading kindness, but nothing is happening good with me. It is when you hold it back. Let it go after doing a work of charity or spreading kindness, and you will see in due course of time, you will receive or you will attract good things in life. Number 2. Mental and physical self-care. In order to have good things in your life, you must be prepared mentally and physically to receive this and enjoy those good things. And in order to enjoy those things, physically you should be active and healthy, and mentally you should be sound to enjoy those good things in your life. So in the process of attracting good things, a major thing is taking care of your mental health and physical health, or self-care. When you do self-care, you uplift your energy, you raise your vibration, and when you raise your vibration, good things automatically gets attracted towards you. Number 3. Have a clarity about the good things that you want in your life. Make a list. Sometimes people want to attract good things, but they actually don't have any clarity. They don't know what they want. They want this at some point, they want that at some point. Things keep on changing. They are not focused. Their energies are not focused on the things they want. So make a list of good things you want. If you want good health, good career, good people, travel, riches, whatever good things you want, it should be crystal clear in your mind exactly how you want, how much you want, how long you want to enjoy it. It should be so clear, and you must have a list of all those things you want to attract in your life. When you're cleared, when you have clarity about things, you focuses your energy on the clear path, and it becomes easier for universe to give you that thing with that clarity. Number 4. When we talk about good things, always remember things that we consider as good are generally things that have higher vibration. Higher vibration that makes us feel good, that makes us feel happy, achieved, something, a sense of joy. And these all senses are high vibrations. So that particular object or situation has a high vibration. And in order to attract those, you must increase your own vibration as well. So however be your vibration be, you will attract things accordingly. If your vibration is toxic, negative, it's difficult to attract good things. If your vibration is kind, compassionate, loving, giving, caring, self-caring, self-loving, God-oriented, these all are high vibrations. Good thinking, positive thinking, even in difficult situation, self-care, all these things actually rises your vibration. The more you rise your vibration, the more you're in the mode of good vibrations, you actually matches the frequency of those good things in your life. And when you matches those frequencies, good thing will surely come in your life. Now, before moving on to the last point, I would appreciate you guys if you subscribe this channel. I make videos Monday to Friday. Some of the other video will surely help you out in your life journey, and you would love to binge watch my content as well. Okay, last but not least, number 5. Have a shared goals. When you make a goal, when you want to attract good things, which is also a goal, make it a shared goal. For example, if you want something for yourself, what is it that it will contribute to others or the universe? If you want to achieve a certain position in your life, it is a goal that is achieved by you. How it will benefit others? Think in that term. When you think of yourself and the collective together, it gets easier for universe to give you that things quickly, because in your desired fulfillment there will be a lot of other desire that will be fulfilled. So when you have shared goals about attracting things, whatever you want to attract, if it benefits you and others as well, you will attract things much faster, because it gets easier for universe's work to give things in collective. So these are the simple things, very simple things, looks very simple. But when you will try to apply all these things, your negativity, your thought process, your previous mind programming, all these things will come. But if you can keep these things aside and work on whatever I've spoken now, the 5 points, very easy points, you can actually attract good things in life. So that was today's video. Do leave a comment below and do subscribe my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Do check out the playlist in my description. You will find some really good contents. Take care. Bye-bye.